Now, required effort to pass the exam. This is a very common and important question. Like in the very beginning, I said that you have to value the task, you have to respect the task. So if I say you have to value the task, you say, okay, how to value it? What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to put in? So 150 to 170 hours, give and take 5-10 hours, okay? Minimum, maximum time. This is this much of effort you need to be doing. And that includes everything. That includes watching my question video lectures. So that includes what 40 hours for topic videos here where I'm explaining the standards. Another 40 hours for question videos where we have done the exam past questions. That makes it 80 hours. Then probably reading the notes 20-25 hours. No need to read some lengthy 600 pages study text. My SBR notes are excellent, amazing, wonderful. If you use them, you will be extremely happy when you see questions in exam and if you are prepared from the notes. And that should take 20-25 hours of reading. I said that no need to read the study text lengthy. I'm not undermining the importance of your BPP or Kaplan study text. These books are important. These books have been beautifully written, but those books are more important if you do not have the video lectures. If you already have watched the video lectures where I have explained the standard, then when you go back to the book also contains the same or similar thing. So there is no fun. I mean, it is just like you watch the news on TV and then you pick up the newspaper. It's almost the same. Okay. 20-25 hours of notes and then another 40-45 hours of practice on your own. Now if you pay attention, it's very important. um, 40-45 hours of um, practice on your own, doing practice on your own. Somebody said if I can go back to the previous slide. Yes, I will. Just give me a minute and I will. Okay, now let me tell you what happens. See, every time everybody falls into the same pit. Okay. Now you guys are here on SBR. Most of you have already passed 9, 10, or 11 ACCA exams. And I'm pretty sure that all of you exactly know that doing practice question is extremely important. All of you know it. Then again, most of you who do not get good marks or who do not pass exam, when they come out of the exam room and you ask them that what happened, how did it go, and he said, I was like stuck somewhere, whatever, maybe I did not do enough practice, I should have done it. So you actually know that practice is important and you know it from day one, but then you don't do it. Why do you not do it? Because what happens that you don't allocate this much of time. What you do, you only give 100 hours because you study less hours per week. So if you are not allocating 150 hours, you are allocating 100 hours. Those 100 hours actually are consumed up in watching the videos and the question videos. So what you do in those 100 hours, you watch my videos and time is not left for this hours because this is in the end. So whatever time you allocated, which was not sufficient, which was not enough, all of that time was consumed here. And this thing did not get anything. And that is the why, that is the reason that exam is on 5th of June. Now it is 20th of May, and you are finishing with these things on 20th of May. You've got only 10 days. And in 10 days, probably you will give only 15 or 20 hours to practice. And that's all. So please pay attention. The problem, why do you not do practice? It starts from the beginning that you are not allocating enough time. Now, how much time you should be allocating actually? So if you are preparing now today is 15th of March. We are preparing for June 2026 exam. Uh, so you've got something like April, May, 9 weeks. and 2 weeks minimum from March. So something like 11 weeks you have. So just make your schedule that I have to do probably 160 hours in 11 weeks. How much time it makes? That is something like 14 hours, my friends. 14 hours per week, approximately. I don't talk about daily effort. I talk about weekly effort because daily effort we cannot manage because sometimes on some days we cannot study. So make a target that you have to do 15 hours per week. Okay. 12 to 15 hours per week and do it every week right from the beginning. Don't think that I will start 2 weeks will go by like this and I will do it later on. You are not Superman. Okay. You are not Superman. Believe me, you are just an ordinary person. I mean, you are an ordinary person just like me. I was not a Superman, and you are also not a Superman. I know that for sure. Otherwise, you and I, we both would not have been in this class. Probably we all have would have been doing something otherwise. We are just simple people, ordinary people. So you need 15 hours. What is needed by an average person? Okay. And don't um, a lot of times we fail in life because of wrong estimation. Few things we overestimate and few things we underestimate. And all the problem starts with overestimation or underestimation. You underestimate the task and you overestimate yourself. You think SBR is easy and you think you are very good. And then boom, because SBR is not very easy and you are not very good. So please, and this happens with us in our life as well. We underestimate the relationships, we underestimate the things, we underestimate the value of things, and we overestimate a lot of times our skills, we overestimate many other things. So please keep your estimates correct and consider yourself just like millions of others.